Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. After watching this video, you'll never sell your SHIB tokens again. Shiba Inu updates today. Shiba Inu's phenomenal 45 million % increase last year has made it one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world. Shiba has since faltered, falling 70% this year, and investors are unsure if it can regain its prior pace. The Shiba Inu is expected to deliver more now than it did at its peak of success. The cryptocurrency is making progress on a Layer 2 scaling solution and in the metaverse. We will discuss how you won't ever sell your SHIB tokens after seeing this video in this video. Today's Shiba Inu news. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. Shiba Inu was developed as an experiment in decentralized, spontaneous community development, and thus far, it has succeeded in doing so, according to its white paper. The SHIB Army, a network of enthusiasts who have backed the token on social media, has been a major factor in its growth. It is an Ethereum blockchain-based token. Shiba Inu tokens can be staked to generate passive income, invested in, or used as payment at a select few shops. Shiba Inu is progressing toward being a more robust cryptocurrency than it was previously. Shibarium, a Layer 2 scaling solution, is being developed by it. Although Layer 2 has not yet been released, when it does, transaction speeds should improve and costs should decrease. This is really beneficial for users. A metaverse has also been created by Shiba Inu. This offers land parcels for sale with the intention of creating a whole virtual neighborhood. Shiba Inu will eventually offer for sale more than 100,000 lots. It has so far made roughly 32,000 plots available in the inaugural phase. Shiba Inu will be a more dominant force after Shibarium and the Metaverse project are fully operational than it was in 2021, when it recorded huge gains. However, not even these initiatives make Shiba Inu stand apart from the competition. Therefore, there doesn't seem to be a good cause for this cryptocurrency to take off. The fact that there are 549 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation is an even bigger issue. Shiba Inu's market worth would therefore skyrocket if it rose from its current value of a fraction of a cent to $1, as its market cap would then be $549 trillion. That outperforms both the entire cryptocurrency market and reputable businesses like Apple. Shiba Inu's burn attempts are insufficient to solve this issue. There is no universally accepted explanation for the Shiba Inu's phenomenal growth and ascent to renown, despite the efforts of many specialists. Some people think Shiba Inu's blockchain technology outperformed its rivals by providing more security and quicker transaction speeds. Others claim that the current memecoin craze was to blame. But in the end, no one has any idea as to why this cryptocurrency was such a huge success. We only know that Shiba Inu caused a stir during its brief but remarkable run, and that its legacy will endure long after its unavoidable extinction. Shiba Inu has been characterized in 2022 by extended sell-offs, which is consistent with the market's overall trend. The SHIB community continued to wager that the token will end the year on a high even if there were no immediate indications of a potential bullish trigger. By December 31, 2022, the SHIB community on CoinMarketCap predicts that the token will be worth an average of 11 cents, an increase of 17.53% from the asset's price at the time of publication. The figures were gathered by Fimbold on November 12 and are based on votes by 2924 users using the price estimate tool. Notably, the wager by the community coincides with SHIB's rising ownership, a sign that investors continue to expect the token will increase in value and perhaps return to its 2021 highs. The number of holders in this line has steadily increased, and as of today, it stands at 1,243,497. The number of holders as of November 11th reflected an increase of 3%, or 37,225, over the previous 3 months. The technical analysis of the SHIB is still negative. The decentralized finance token has started to experience the liquidity squeeze on the FTX cryptocurrency exchange. The moving averages favor a strong sell at 13, and the oscillators on the daily gauges are neutral at 9, so a summary of the technical alignment will indeed sell at 14. Shib, which is currently trading at $96, has increased its week-long losses by more than 23%. The asset has gained less than 1% during the past 7 days. It's important to note that Shib recently saw some relief following Elon Musk's purchase of Twitter, one of the largest social media platforms. Notably, cryptocurrencies with the DOC theme like Shib and Dogecoin had a short-term boost after Musk bought Twitter. Shib seems to be still well-liked among merchants. For instance, it was discovered that Shib accounts for nearly 20% of the $9 billion in assets held in CryptoExchange.com's reserves. Notably, the platform released the findings as pressure on crypto firms to demonstrate reserves in light of FTX's liquidity crisis mounted. The price trajectory of the whole cryptocurrency market will have a significant impact on Shib's chances of making significant gains. Despite the chaos in the cryptocurrency market, wealthy Shiba Inu investors are exchanging hundreds of billions of tokens. Either the Skin Shiba Inu Burn project or Shiba Play report that cryptocurrency whales exchanged 877 billion Shib tokens, citing data from the Ethereum analytics platform, totaling $7.8 million through several trades. On November 2nd, when 202,438,224,930 Shib was trading at a high of 0 and was the 14th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, the first transfer involving that amount was made. On November 6th, 190 billion Shib were transferred to CryptoChange.com as part of the transaction, which also saw the digital asset achieve an intraday high of 0013. The third and largest of the 3 transactions was started by wallets from Crypto Exchange Finance on November 7th when Shib was trading at an intraday high of $0, $1, $2. One of the whale's wallets received 485,794,498,147 of the tokens. Since then, Shiba Inu has struggled alongside the general decline in cryptocurrency markets. Shiba is currently worth 0 points, a decrease of 12 points or 73% over the previous day. The difficulties at crypto exchange FTX, which entered into a provisional agreement with finance for the exchange to buy FTX.com, have coincided in large part with the market collapse. The announcement of FTX liquidity concerns caused the FTT token to lose more than 68% of its all-time high, while the native token of the exchange is now trading for $4.79, down 93% from its peak. As they unveiled the Shibaswap decentralized exchange, Shiboshi non-fungible tokens, and the anticipated Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain bones, developers also announced a number of other tokens, including the Bone Shibaswap. The price experienced a successful August following the listing of the governance token on multiple exchanges, but it has since corrected and, as of October 31, 2022, was down 14% in the previous month. The Shibaswap decentralized exchange was introduced by the creators of Shiba Inu in July 2021 to give users known as the Shib Army a venue to exchange their Shib tokens for other cryptocurrencies. Shibaswap is a fork of the SushiSwap DEX that features native tokens and a modified fee incentive scheme. With tokens based on the ERC20 standard, SushiSwap and Shibaswap both operate on the Ethereum network. The Doggy Decentralized Autonomous Organization's Bone was developed as the governance token for Shibaswap, enabling users to vote on recommendations for the project's future development, including which pairs will be added to Shibaswap. The user's vote has a greater impact on the result the more Bone tokens they own. Bone, there's a limit of 250 million Shibaswap tokens available for payment to users that offer liquidity for exchange pairings on Shiba. Out of a total quantity of 229.9 million, there are presently 6.97 million Bone tokens in use, according to CoinMarketCap data. The 250 million maximum supply was created to bridge the gap between the enormous 500 trillion Shib token supply and a significantly smaller leash token quantity. As a rebase token that uses an algorithm to automatically raise and decrease supply to maintain its price anchor to another asset, Deutsche Killer was first introduced as an algorithmic stablecoin. The Shiba's website states that there are only a total of 107,646 leashes available. The second token with incentives on Shibaswap is called Leash, and its holders will receive generous rewards for supplying its liquidity. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.